Hello guys, I'm Carrie. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I will share a really amazing tool for you to learn English. You can get feedback for your pronunciation immediately. Let's get started. Usually, we learn English pronunciation from online dictionaries. What we usually do is we click on the pronounce button, let it play, and we imitate the sound of the words. Sometimes we don't know if we pronounce the words correctly since online dictionaries don't give us feedback. So if we want to get feedback, we need to get help from English teachers or friends who are good at English. But it's inconvenient because they are not always available to give us feedback. That's why people suggest dating a native speaker is a good way to learn English. But now I have a better choice for you. Google Pronounce. You can get feedback immediately. Before we move on, please share my videos and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button. Let's continue. Let's try Google Pronounce. Put the word pronounce and the word that you want to pronounce together into the Google search engine. Let's try a simple word thank. Since a lot of people have difficulty pronouncing the TH sound, here we go. You can hear how it pronounces first.
Thank.
I will show you some wrong pronunciation first. Click practice here. Thank. It takes only 1 or 2 seconds. See, it gives me feedback immediately. I mispronounced the TH sound. My tongue didn't touch my teeth, so I pronounced the S sound instead of the TH sound. Let me try another wrong way. Thank. Okay. See? Different pronunciation, different feedback. It says I need to pronounce the TH sound instead of the F sound. Let's try the correct one to see if we can tell it. Thank. Okay. Wow, it says good job. It can tell the difference of my pronunciation. It's amazing. How about playing with Google Pronounce now? Hope you find this video helpful. I will keep sharing amazing tools for you to learn English. Please share my videos and subscribe to my channel to help me make English learning available to everyone. Don't forget to hit the bell button. Thank you for watching. See ya!